So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a quick video for the graph. You guys can currently tell that nothing has changed in regards to what we thought was going to happen to the price on August the 5th, 2025. That's why it's going to be a quick video. I don't think I really wanted to talk about is showing you all how price in the graph is still finding buyers right here. Now, it kind of looked like the market is getting exhausted in terms of people willing to buy this cryptocurrency around 8 cents. That there will let us know whether or not the graph will continue to go down to this next buy pocket around 8 cents or continue to go lower to like 7 cents in the long term. So let's go ahead and do a quick video. Let's look at the different time frames first to see if that's the case, because you can tell that every time the market in the graph actually bounces from the pocket of buying, it quickly comes back down and it gets shorter and shorter on those small spurts to the upside, which lets you know that the market is definitely getting tired and it is definitely formulating, this downtrend as well too. So it's very clear on the daily chart that the market in the graph is still weak. Take a look at this on the 2. Again, pretty much look like the daily. Here it is on the 3. You want to see follow through when the market bounces from pockets, right? So we got a bounce right here on this 3-day, but immediately the next 3 days price came right back down. And then we have a smaller spread on this last printed 3-day price bar. And we're still seeing on the current 3-day, the market still trending, at least showing a little weakness on the 3-day chart. Here it is on the 4. Again, buyers bought on this 4-day bar, but again, they wasn't, after that 4-day price bar was printed, they didn't show up anymore because the market still went and closed lower than the close from the prior 4 days. It just tells us that the market is still being seen and controlled by the sellers right now. Here it is on the 5. Here it is the graph on the weekly chart. Taking a quick look on the 2 weeks. Definitely looks a little bit bearish there on the 2 weeks. And here it is on the 3, the 5 weekly chart, and then for the month of August. Let's look what happened. So yeah, I'm not too enthused right now that the market in the graph is a buy. Currently, the market is still exhibiting some weakness on multiple different time frames that we need to account for, and we need to continue to go forward with our original analysis of looking for the graph to go lower. I'm still keen on not being oblivious and unknown to the fact that price can still bounce off this pocket. I mean, it attempted it. They've done a pretty good job of keeping price cratering below that pocket, but I think eventually they're going to get tired or run out of money to support the price in the graph there, and the market will continue to dip to try to hit that $8 pocket next. So we're not going to change any of our price predictions right now in the graph, but rather we're just going to go ahead and continue to go forward with looking for this price to go lower in value. Here it is on the 330-minute chart right here. Okay. So let's go ahead and leave this alone. We'll come back if we continue to see this market bounce off that pocket and switch over to looking for this market to actually begin to go higher. Just to show you all, here's a sell pocket now for the graph that we're going to make. There's one right here too. Just want to show you where it is. There's a sell pocket right there too, just so you'll see. All right, so let's leave it alone. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.